So recently I bought this Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones, and these are like under premium segment of Bose headphones. So I've been using this from I think last 4 or 5 days, and I'm quite happy. But there are a couple of things I like to highlight because we are spending this much amount of money, because it's around almost 35,000. So anyway, we are spending a lot of money. So the problem I'm facing right now is that I think they can work on the cushioning, because it's not that much great. Sound quality is good. You can really have like, you can feel like, there's no connection between the outside world when you are actually wearing this. But they can actually work on the cushioning stuff, which I like to highlight. Otherwise, this stuff is really good. You can go for it. I mean, yeah, if you're spending like this much amount of money, this can be your thing. Thank you.
Every time I hear that song, 'cause you're not.
Eat my ass. Hello?
Sonido increíble. There they are. Yes, I did change these out, but there they are. They're super nice. There's nothing wrong with these.
The incident has schools and law enforcement